There you are. Where have you been? I told you to come to the library right after school. You were talking to your friends? Of course you were. You should have at least texted me or something. I was waiting for you. I mean, never mind. Forget it. Let's just head inside. There's 2 spots at that table over there. Alright, listen up. You've been slacking in class lately, and you really need to get yourself together for our exam tomorrow. Biology is not an easy subject. What do you mean you don't need to study anymore? Sure, it's our final year and it's usually more laid back, but you still need to do well. If not, it's gonna negatively affect your overall GPA and transcript. No. You are not about to leave right now. What could be so important that you care more about it than your studies? Have you forgotten that you asked me to tutor you a few days ago? I'm only helping because you asked. Besides, doing so will be of benefit to me as well. So don't get your mind twisted. I apologize. I shouldn't be so harsh with you right now. I just want what's best for you. Wait, what am I saying? We can study for just an hour. That's all I ask. 1 hour. Work with me, okay? Let's get this over with. Thank you. So, the exam is gonna cover cell anatomy. You know, the general structure and the organelles, and the functions of each organelle. I've made flashcards of the vocabulary words you need to know. Here. I'll give you some time to look over all of these. In the meantime, I'm gonna go look for some biology books that will help us study. Expect me to test you on these later. Good luck. Hey, I'm back. I found another textbook with good diagrams that we can use to study the parts of the cell. How are you feeling about those flashcards? Oh, okay. I suppose I'll start assessing you on your knowledge now. Let me take those flashcards back. Okay. First question. Is the cell wall present in an animal cell or a plant cell? That's correct. It's only present in a plant cell. What about a cell membrane? Which type of cell has it? That was a trick question, but your answer was right. Both cells have a cell membrane. Good. Now, name an organelle that a plant cell has, but not an animal cell. Yep, it starts with a C. You're getting there. It can be a little hard to pronounce at first. first. There you go. Chloroplast. Tell me, what does a chloroplast do? Capture energy from sunlight? Yes. What does it do with that energy, though? It's okay, I'll remind you. So, a chloroplast uses the energy to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugars and oxygen. Hence, that is why plants are so important to the ecosystem. Without them, we probably won't have oxygen to breathe. You got it? Cool. The next thing I would do now is name an organelle, and you will have to state its function. Ready? Alright. Nucleus. Contains the solid genetic material or DNA. Good. Ribosomes. They make proteins. Oh, this one's easy. Mitochondrion. That's true, it produces energy. I'm sure everyone knows the phrase powerhouse of the cell. How about the Golgi apparatus? Are you good? Why are you staring at me like that? You have a question? Go ahead. Really? I thought you were gonna ask me about the Golgi's function or something. You were doing so good. You're killing me here. Like I've said before, I'm just helping you because it would be advantageous for both of us. And I'm just trying to be a good friend, okay? What's wrong with that? Why do you have to question everything I do for you? Hey, are you really checking your phone right now? Your friends invited you to a party tonight. Seriously, we need to focus here. For goodness sake, our exam is tomorrow. Oh, sorry, we'll keep it down. You know what? Follow me. Come on. Outside the doors where we can talk more freely. I'm gonna be honest here. I feel sorry for you that your grades have been declining ever since you started hanging out with that group you call friends. You used to be such a good student until they came along. Nowadays, you no longer have the motivation to study or do homework. You've changed. Are you kidding? They're only trying to manipulate you. I've seen them bully other students. They are bad influences. You shouldn't hang out with them anymore. You're afraid they'll do something to you if you leave them? So be it. You can always report them to the principal. Your future matters more. Do you want to be known for being intelligent or for hanging out with a group of bullies? Think about that. And if those idiots do lay a hand on you, I'll make sure they won't get away with it. Wait, what? You think I'm hiding something from you? What are you talking about? You're one of my closest friends. Why would I hide anything important from you? Stupid. You are being really annoying about this. Okay, it's not like I'm just gonna blurt it out. Yes, I know I said I wouldn't hide anything from you, but fine, fine. I'll tell you. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I, uh, I like you. You heard me. I'm not repeating myself. That smile on your face. What does it mean? You knew? Was it really that obvious? Good God. This is so embarrassing. I'm cute? Hey, why are you patting my head? I ought to teach you a lesson for that. No, not the biology lesson. But wait, you're willing to continue studying with me? Really? Gee, I never thought I would be able to change your mind about them. Thanks for hearing me out and taking my advice, idiot. Oh, you want to go on a mini date after our exam? Uh, sure, that sounds fun. Did you just. How dare you not tell me before doing something like that? Well, it's not like I didn't appreciate it. Geez, since when did I start saying these kinds of things? Let's just go back into the library to get some studying done. As for our relationship, we can talk more about it later. You're a real dummy, you know that?